Brian Beckcom here at VB Attorneys, and I've got my good friend, John Black. I've known John since, probably at least the mid-90s. John's a lawyer here in Houston. John, how you doing, man?
I'm doing well. I'm
Yeah.
cooped up like most folks and trying to not go crazy and make the best of the situation.
So most people, I think, your firm is Daly and Black, and I think most lawyers in Houston, and frankly, not just in Houston, but in most parts of the country, are familiar with you and your work. But for the people that aren't, tell us a little bit about where you come from, where you grew up, your education, how you became a lawyer, and kind of what you and your partner do to help people.
Yeah, so I'm a native Houstonian. Grew up here in Houston and then spent a little bit of time in Mexico. My mom's from Mexico City. Went to law school and undergraduate at University of Texas, and for the longest time knew I wanted to be a lawyer. I'm not sure if it was because I argued with my parents a lot or if I enjoyed debate or maybe both. But loved law school, and when I graduated, worked at a firm called Gibbs and Bruns, which was still is a really exceptional commercial litigation firm. But I found that I wasn't getting into court as much as I'd like. And my passion really was to be on the plaintiff side and represent people and businesses and Lord, just not keep track of my time anymore. So, I started doing that in, I guess it was 2000 and, oh boy, with Rick, it was 2013, I think, that we joined up. And really the idea was, let's be primarily a boutique that handles policyholder cases. We represent policyholders, folks that have disputes with their insurance company. And it could be anything, right? It could be, medical related, property related. A lot of what we do is catastrophe related events, giant events like hurricanes or earthquakes, hailstorms, fires where large numbers of people are affected. And even today with the COVID pandemic, we're looking at and reviewing a lot of these business interruption claims. So, we're really a first party litigation boutique, but a plaintiff's practice generally as well. And we just like helping people and businesses that need a good trial lawyer. And we love to try cases. I mean, I think that's something that every trial lawyer says, but I'm not sure every trial lawyer means. And we actually really genuinely like it.
And you've always been really good at it too. I mean, I remember we've known each other since law school, which was for both of us in the mid-90s. And you were a successful advocate, even in law school. Even before you became a lawyer, you were kind of on that path. You were also the student body president at University of Texas, and had a lot of experience as a speaker and a persuader. So basically, your firm is about helping people that have insurance policies that might have disputes with their insurance company. That's kind of your specialty.
Yeah.
I think most people probably consider your firm to be, if not the top firm in that area, certainly one of the top firms